So we're here at Union Station today doing a big crane lift. We've got a bunch of mechanical equipment coming in to what they call the East Penthouse, which is the 7th floor mechanical room. Kelson is the mechanical contractor on site, so we do all the heating, plumbing, mechanical, HVAC.
We bring these air handlers in, move them out of the way onto the waiting pads, and then the balance of loose material for the room, including silencers, intake plenums, etc., is also coming down through the same hole in the roof.
Coordination is a major part. We have, as you can see, we have trucks backing in here, we have forklifts. Safety is our #1 priority.
Being involved in Union Station is pretty special because it's always going to be around downtown Toronto, and everyone knows about it, so it's pretty unique and special to be a part of the history and revitalizing the station so it lasts another couple hundred years.